Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, we would like to thank the Indonesian Science Project Olympiad judges for giving us this opportunity.
We also would like to thank our instructor Muhammad Farhan Ramadan SSE.
Waste is a residual substance that we can't dispose of, and an example of it are plastic bags, which can only be used once and cannot be returned into their original state. Every year, around 8 million metric tons of plastic are dumped into the ocean. Indonesia contributes more than 600,000 metric tons of that, according to the Indonesian Institute of Sciences. The common issue in Indonesia is plastic waste. Ocean currents carry plastic waste in various directions, including towards uninhabited islands, exacerbating the problem.
Plastic waste takes up landfill space, and as land becomes more scarce, it will lead to illegal dumping. Research has shown that microplastics are present in our food chain. They have been found in various food items, including fish and sea salt. When ingested, this microplastic can release harmful chemicals such as bisphenol A and phthalates, linked to various health issues including hormonal disruption, reproductive problems, and an increased risk of certain cancers. We need a solution for reducing the amount of plastic waste in landfills, and a solution that could reduce the amount of waste plastic bags getting dumped illegally.
We would like to introduce our solution, which is called PURE, also known as plastic fuel for renewable energy.
Our goal is to reduce the amount of plastic waste that has been piling up for years with no sign of stopping. Our solution is to utilize plastic waste as an alternative fuel.
Here are the things needed for our project: 1-cylinder can, iron pipe, gas stove, Dextone glue, plastic bottle, 250 grams of HDPE, also known as high density polyethylene plastic, clean water, and a bowl.
First of all, to make the pyrolysis tool, we need to first make the pyrolysis reactor. First, make a hole on the cylinder can using a drill. Then, insert the pipe through that hole and stick it with Dextone glue, then let the glue harden by itself. The next step is making the condensers. For this project, we will be using 2 condensers. So first, make 2 holes in one bottle using solder. One on the cap of the bottle and one on the bottom part of the bottle. Then do the same thing for the second condenser. After that, insert those 2 condensers into the pipe that had already been connected to the pyrolysis reactor and stick the 2 condensers with the Dextone glue and let it stick by itself. And a simple pyrolysis tool has just been made.
After a simple pyrolysis tool has been successfully made, next is how to turn plastic waste into an alternative fuel. Plastic bag waste is put into the pyrolysis reactor. The pyrolysis reactor is heated using an LPG gas stove with temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. Then we need to wait for an average of 2 hours. After waiting, smoke will appear from the combustion process. After that, oil will be produced and will drop into the bowl by itself. After oil is obtained, we measure the volume of oil formed after the pyrolysis process is complete using a graduated cylinder. After we measure the volume of the oil, we place the oil into a bottle.
Using 250 grams of HDPE plastic and pyrolyzing it with a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, we managed to get 79 milliliters of biofuel.
How will this benefit the future?
The HDPE plastic pyrolysis process has 2 benefits. The first benefit is reducing the amount of plastic waste polluting Indonesian land. The second benefit is that this project has succeeded in finding alternative fuel from burning plastic waste and replacing fossil fuel.
We can utilize plastic waste into alternative fuel. So that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.